Welcome! If you're concerned about privacy and want to prevent Discord from accessing your contacts, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through simple steps to ensure your contact information stays private while using Discord on your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. You can usually find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will give you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, search for Discord in this list. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its settings. Now, look for the Permissions option and give it a tap. This section lets you control what data Discord can access. In the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of various permissions Discord requests. Find and select Contacts. Finally, you'll see options for allowing or not allowing access to your contacts. Simply choose Don't Allow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully prevented Discord from accessing your contacts. Staying in control of your privacy is essential, and it only takes a minute to ensure your information remains secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on technology and privacy. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.